See the finishing the face has. This that much finishing is required to have better reading of size when we check the length of the job. Now reverse the job in chuck. For reversing the job in chuck, we have to lose jaws of chuck, but we have true the job. If we reverse the job, we have to true the job. To save that labor, we will lose only two adjacent jaws. So these other two jaws will hold the position of the job and will not allow to get wobble again, will not allow to disturb the drawing of the job. We have loose we lose two jaws, two adjacent jaws, reverse the job and tightening again the job. Checking the gap, corner of the jaw and groove, gap between groove and corner of the jaw. We find it uniform. There was slight difference in it. Prashant sir is adjusting it. Rotate the job. The job is moving concentrately and it is not disturbed. It was disturbed, but we readjusted it with minimum effort. Start the facing operation at this other end as well. This face is also slant, that's why the sound is not continuous. The cut is taking place at one part of the face. You can see the only one side of the face has got cut, other side is still as it was as a raw material. The whole face has got cut on. After having cut on full face of the job, we are taking finishing cut. Taking finishing cut at high speed of chuck and low feed rate of tool. First cut towards the center of the job. Final cut will be away from center. This is final cut with controlled and uniform feed rate. See the difference between finishing. Chuck at higher speed and tool is moving at a low feed rate. You can see the finishing. Now we have completed facing operation for both the end. Now we will go for the turning operation. We have completed facing operation for both the end. We can make this portion first or this portion first. But if I make this portion first, it is hard or it is difficult or not possible to hold taper portion in chuck. That's why I will make this portion first. Our tool was positioned for facing operation. Now we will go for turning. For that we have to set tool position again, not the height of tool, the angle of the tool only. Okay, turn. The speed of chuck is more. We set it for facing operation